If you want to embed a YouTube video in your GoDaddy website builder, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. It's a quick and easy way to add videos to your website, improve engagement, and make your page more interactive without needing any coding skills. Whether you're building a business site, a portfolio, or a landing page, this method works great. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to copy your YouTube video URL. Head over to YouTube and open the video you want to embed. Under the video, click the Share button and then click Copy to grab the link. This is the URL you'll use inside GoDaddy. Next, open your GoDaddy product page and log into your account. Once you're in, scroll down to Websites plus Marketing, find the website you want to edit, and click Manage. After that, select Edit Website to open the GoDaddy website builder. Now you're inside the editor, and the next step is to choose exactly where you want the video to appear on your page. Scroll to the page and section where you want to add it, then click the Add Section button, which is the plus icon. This opens up the section library, where you can choose different content blocks for your site. In the right-hand panel, search for video, or if you don't see it right away, look under the Audio and Video category. GoDaddy usually gives you a few different layout options, so pick the one that fits your design best, then click Add to place it on the page. Once the video section is added, click on that new section to open its settings. On the right-hand side, you'll see a video URL box. Click into that field, delete any placeholder text if it's there, and paste your YouTube link. GoDaddy will automatically detect the video and prepare it for embedding. From here, you can also customize the section a little more if you want. You may be able to add a title for the video, write a short description, or adjust how the section appears on the page. These small details can help your visitors understand what the video is about and can make the section feel more polished and professional. Take a moment to preview everything and make sure the video is placed where you want it. If needed, you can move the section up or down the page until it looks right. When you're happy with the layout and the video link is in place, it's time to go live. Click Publish in the top right corner to make your changes visible to everyone visiting your site. That's it. Your YouTube video is now embedded in your GoDaddy website builder. This is a simple but powerful way to add more value to your website and keep visitors engaged longer. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more website builder tips, step-by-step tutorials, and easy how-to guides.